In this video, I am going to tell you the numerical related to the previous question. So hopefully you will understand it properly. So for example, I have another question on the same topic where we have two conditions again. And what we have to do here, this is stress strain numerical. So how can we do that? Let's start. This is the diagram. And now we have P over here. This is A, B, C, and this is 5 feet, this one is 2 feet. So this is question number 2. This is question number 2. So what we have to do here, so the question condition is given to us in the form of data. What is it? L is equals to 5 feet, E is equals to 20 into 10 to the power 6 psi, A is equals to 0.7 inches square, sigma maximum is equals to 25 ksi, so it does not exceed from 25 ksi, and dava b is not greater than 0.045 inches. So find the value of p. So find the value of p. So how can we find it out? Let's start the solution, and at first what we have to do, so we have to take the first value and we are going to assume, or we are going to take first condition. How is it so? So the solution is that what? Assume the condition is given in the question, sigma is equals to 25 ksi. So we are taking this condition and we have to find out dava b. So whether it is coming out to be less than 0.045 inches, because it should not be greater than, it can be less than but not greater than 0.045 inches. So what we have to do, so let's start the solution. Dava c is equals to pl over ae. So dava c is equals to p upon a into l over e. So we can take p over a is equals to stress into L over E. So we have to find out dava C first. So we will put 25 in place of stress, and the length was given in the question was 5 feet. So we should have to convert it into inches, and then what we have to do is we have to multiply with the 1000. Why we are going to multiply with 1000? Because this is in KSI. So we have to take in PSI. So what is next? We have to divide it with E, and the E was also given in the question, 20 into 10 to the power 6 psi. So what we have to do, this is in psi, so that's why we have taken it into what? In psi. So what we have to do, we have to find out the value of dava C, deformation at point C. So what is the deformation coming out to be at dava C? 25 into 5 into 12 into 1000 divided by 20 exponent 6, and it is coming out to be 0.075 inches. But the condition is given in the question for the dava B. So we have to find out dava B. And how can we find out dava B? Let me tell you, we have to make triangle over here. So how can we do that? Because dava B condition is given here. So we have to find out dava B first, and then we have to check whether the second condition is satisfied or not. So what we are going to do, we are going to draw a triangle. So how can we do that? This is a triangle. Deformation occurs at B and C, A, B and C. This is 5 feet, 2 feet. So here is what? This will be dava B and this will be dava C. So dava C we already got it, and what is dava C coming out to be? That is 0.075 inches. So we will make two triangles. We will take a smaller triangle and this one is the bigger triangle. So let me separate it out so it will be helpful for you to be clear to all of you. This is 5 feet AB. This is the smaller triangle and this is dava B. And the bigger triangle will be what? This one A to C. So this is 7 feet and this will be DAVA C. And DAVA C is, we have already calculated that is 0.07 is. So by similar triangles, what we have to do, DAVA B upon 5 feet equals to DAVA C upon 7 feet. So we know the value of DAVA C because we have already calculated it. So DAVA B upon DAVA C is 0.075 inches divided by 7. So I am moving towards the next page, and what it will be, what DAVA B is equals to 0.075 into 5 divided by 7, and this will be 0.0535, or you can say 6 inches. So it's no problem. So what is it and what is the condition given in the question? Let me check it out. What was the question? What was the second condition? DAVA B should not be greater than 0.04 inches, and it is greater than. So you can say, see here that it is greater than 0.045 inches given in. So the condition is not satisfied. This condition is not satisfied. So the condition is not satisfied. So what we have to do, you can see over here that DAVA B is greater than, coming out to be greater than 0.045 inches. So in this case, what we have to do, we have to assume that DAVA B is equals to 0.045 inches. And then what we have to do, we will have to take two triangles as we have done earlier. So we will start from here. So this is 5 feet and this is DAVA B, and DAVA B is equals to 0.045 inches. And this one should be, because it is the whole triangle, so this will be 7 feet, and DAVA C we have to find out. So by similar triangles, what we have to do, DAVA B upon 5 feet is equals to DAVA C upon 7 feet. So DAVA B will be 0.045 inches divided by 5 equals to DAVA C upon 7 feet. So what we have to do, DAVA C is equals to 7 into 0.045 divided by 5. So therefore DAVA C is equals to what? 7 into 0.045 divided by 5. So this will be 0.063 inches. 0.063 inches. So this is DAVA C. Now what we have to do, we have to find out sigma, because now the condition is that we are taking first as DAVA B equals to 0.05. So 0.045 inches. So what we have to do, we have to prove the condition of what? Stress. So what is the stress given to us? The stress is given to us is 25 KSI. So we have to prove it whether this condition is satisfied or not. So what we have to do next, we got it DAVA C, and in the next step, what we are going to find it out. Let's start. So this is what? Then stress in the bar. So what we have to do, DAVA C is equals to P over A into L over E, and P over A is equals to stress. This is stress. So what we have to do, sigma C equals to stress into L over E, and stress C is equals to, stress is unknown, we don't know, and we know about value of L and E. So what is the value of an L and E is that this is 5 feet, so it should be multiplied by 12. And the value of E is 20 into 10 to the power 6. So the next step will be what? We have to put the value of DAVA C. So DAVA C, we already got it 0.063 inches sigma into 5 into 12 divided by 20 into 10 to the power 6. Then stress is equals to 0.063 into 20 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 5 into 12. Now what we have to do next? Let me take another paper and I will tell you what we have to do in the next step. We have to find the value of this stress. So I will put this value 0.063 into 20 into 10, you can say exponent 6 divided by 5 into 12. So the answer is coming out to be 21,000 and 21,000 psi. So stress is coming out to be 21,000 psi. So therefore stress is equals to 21 ksi. So is that okay or not? So we have to check this condition. So what was the condition given in the question? That the value of stress, maximum value of stress is 25 ksi. So it should not exceed 25 ksi. So it is less than 25 ksi. So the condition is satisfied. The condition is satisfied. This is the case. When it is satisfied, so what we have to do? We have to find out the value of P. And how can we find out the value of P? So you know that stress is equals to T over A. So if it is stress equals to T over A, so you can put 21, you got it, where you have to find the value of T. And the value of A, area is given in the question 0.7. So therefore T comes out to be 21 into 0.7. So the answer will be 14.7 kips. 14.7 kips. Now, what we have to do? We have to find the value of P, and this is not the value of P. And how can we do that? So let me make the diagram of the question. So where is the diagram in the question? Is so this one. Now what we have to do? This is the diagram. This one and this one is P. This one is T. And this is the situation, and this is 5 feet, this is A, B, C, and this is 2 feet. So what we have to do over here, we have to sum up moment at A. When we have sum up moment A, so it's up to you, whatever the direction you have to take positive. For example, I am taking anti-clockwise positive. So when I rotate here, so it will be negative, minus 5P. And this will be rotate like this, plus 7T is equals to 0. This is 70. So I will put the value of T here, 7, and the value of T is coming out to be 14.7. So what it will be? So 7 into 14.7. It is 102.9. So 102.9 is equals to 5P. So divided by 5. So the answer will be 20.58. So P is coming out to be 20.58 kip. So this will be the answer here. So this is the way to solve it. This is 20.58 kips. So the first page is this one, where we have write down the question. Then what we have done, first we have taken or assume it sigma maximum, sigma is equals to 25 ksi. On which page we have done this? So let me tell you where is it so. So where is this question starts from. So let me check it out where I put that page. So let me search it out. And where is it? So it's here that I have taken as 25 KSI. So after this page we have done this. We have found out sigma DAVA C deformation at point C. And in the next step, what we have done, we have to find out DAVA B. And how did we find it out, DAVA B? Let me show you that page on which we have find out DAVA B. On the third page. This one is the third page at which we have calculated the value of DAVA B, and it was coming out greater than 0.045 inches that was given in the question. So what we have done, the condition is not satisfied, and then we assume DAVA B equals to 0.045 inches. So in the next step, what we have done in the next step is what we have done. Let me show you. After finding out DAVA C, we have done this step, and this one is the third step. Then there will be the fourth step. This is fourth page. And then after that, what we have done, when we assume DAVA B equals to 0.045 inches, so we write it down here. When we got it DAVA C, so what we have done, we have to find out sigma, and for sigma we have done this page. So after that, when we get it sigma 7, page number 7, so what we have done at the last page, we have to find out the value of P. And how did we find out the value of P? By summing up moment at A. So this is the last page. So this is the sequence you have to done this numerical. So if we have taken condition in the start that DAVA B equals to 0.045 inches, so our numerical will be reduced to half. But we are not sure in the start which value comes or how is it satisfied, in which step it can be satisfied. So when you don't know, so you are not aware of it, so you have to take assumption, and whatever assumption you have taken, so it's up to you. So hopefully it will be clear to all of you. If I arrange these pages in the from 1 to 10, so this one is the first page, and after that what you have done, this page, second page, and the third page is this one is the third page. And then what you have done at the fourth page, this is your fourth page, and I will provide this solution separately as well. Hopefully it will be too clear of all of you. These are the steps, and solution is done in this way. So let me show you one more time. This is sixth one page, and then this one is the seventh page. And after doing these two numericals, you can do it yourself at home. You can practice more numerical on it. I will provide you, so it will be more clear to all of you. And this one. So hopefully it will be clear to all of you. Thank you. That's all.